In this short tutorial, you will learn how to fix the Duolingo app icon. Sometimes the Duolingo app icon might look weird or sad. You may notice that it appears to be melting or not looking right at all, but don't worry, we can easily fix it. So what's going on with the Duolingo app icon? This change is actually a part of a clever marketing tactic employed by Duolingo. It's designed to grab your attention and pique your curiosity, but don't worry, this isn't linked to any issues with your account or device. When you haven't opened the app for a while, it might switch up its appearance to encourage you to come back and engage with the lessons again. After all, who doesn't want to know why their favorite language learning tool looks different? The primary reason behind this icon change is simple: activity. If you haven't been using the Duolingo app regularly for a while, it may trigger this visual shift as a nudge for you to return. So if you've been away from your language lessons for some time, this could be why you're seeing the weird app by on. Although we understand why this happens, let's talk about how to potentially fix it. If you'd prefer your usual icon back, check if there's an update available for the Duolingo app. Sometimes simply updating can restore the original icon appearance. To do that, what you can do is to head over to your Google Play Store on your Android device. So on Google Play Store, go ahead and head over to the search section, and here go ahead and search for Duolingo. Once you find Duolingo on the results, go ahead and click on Duolingo. If you find an update button, go ahead and click on the update button to install the latest updates of the app on your device. If no updates are available, don't fret. The app might revert back to its original look after some time. Just keep using it regularly to keep or revert back the normal icon of Duolingo. And that is why Duolingo app icon is sick and how you can revert it back into its normal shape.